Hi, my name is Nick Vargo-Fiedler, and I am the manager of the onboarding team as well as the support team here at Chime Technologies. And the reason that I wanted to talk to you about our new processes is we've heard what feedback from the way that we've been onboarding, and we wanted to make it even better for the community, listening to what you guys have said and what we could do better. So one of the first things that we did was we doubled the size of our team here in Phoenix. We know that we're growing pretty fast, and with growing pains, we know we need more people to be there to assist you through that process. We also know that it's pretty technical to get set up on new technology, whether it's a CRM or something else. It just takes a little while to learn. So here's what to expect once you sign up with Chime. First, after that sales experience, you're going to get a call within 8 business hours from your onboarding specialist. You're going to be able to use them as your resource. They're going to have a full checklist of everything that needs to be done and help you out step by step. You'll also have access to our support team, which is email or phone, so you can call at any point and check on maybe the technical pieces that we're working on. During that time, we're going to help make sure that your website gets set up. We're going to help make sure you import all of your leads, make sure that your team gets trained, and that you're comfortable with the system before you start. Our main goal is for you to be comfortable with the new technology and to be using it by the time that you're finished. Most of these onboardings take about 30 days. The MLS process itself can take a few days just to get that settled, and then we integrate that onto the website that you're building. We also give you all the training and tools that you need so that as you get outside of the onboarding process, you still know how to do things like update agents if there were to be a team change or something like that. So at any point during your onboarding process, you have your onboarding specialist and you've got support to help you answer any questions. You can set up meetings with them, and you can call in, email, text, whatever you need to make sure that you're going to be successful on the other end of the onboarding experience. Lastly, we're going to give you all of the resources in our help center, and coming out within a month, we're going to have countless new videos. So if you're not able to make a training, you can go into the help center and watch brand new updated videos to walk you through any step of the setup process. So if at any point during that onboarding process you need any help, just make sure that you reach out to your onboarding specialist or you call in and email support.